Hi everyone, welcome to Awesome Crafter. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little Easter chick using a pom-pom. First of all, you need to have a pom-pom. Link down below in my description there will be videos that I've already made on how to make pom-poms, so you can go and check those out. So once you've got your pom-pom, all we need then is we need 2 feet, which I have cut out of orange card, but you can also use felt, or you could use pipe cleaners, whatever you have at hand really, or even just orange paper. So to start with then, we are going to glue the 2 feet together. Any kind of glue is fine, Pritt stick, Elmer's glue, any kind of craft glue that you have to hand would be okay. Then I'm going to stick my 2 feet together just to hold them like that in position, and I'm going to pop some more glue on the top, and this is what's going to stick to the pom-pom. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to stick it underneath so you can see the feet coming out the front. Then I've cut another piece of orange card, but again you could use felt or a piece of pipe cleaner or paper, and I'm just going to put some glue along the edge. And I'm going to stick that in the centre of my pom-pom for my chick's beak. Then I have a pack of googly eyes. These can be picked up from Amazon, craft stores, Hobbycraft, The Works, Wilko's, number of places sell them. And I'm just going to choose 2 eyes that are the same size. Pop some glue on the back and stick those to my chick. Whoops. Stick them onto my chick's face. And there we have our pom-pom chick. Nice, quick and simple, easy craft that can be done by children of all ages. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will look forward to seeing you on my next one.